Ever sipped a latte, and then, minutes later, found yourself face to face with a penguin? Welcome to Cape Town. I'm James, your very unofficial travel guide, here to show you the real Cape Town, where wild nature and city life collide. Forget guidebooks. We're after the laughs, the surprises, and the stories you'll actually tell your mates. Cape Town's got Table Mountain, towering over a vibrant city, wild penguins chilling on public beaches, and nature woven into every street. Buckle up. Let's dive into what makes this city unforgettable. First stop, Boulders Beach, a sun-drenched stretch of sand that's home to a lively colony of wild African penguins. Watch these charming birds waddle along the shore, dip into the surf, and nestle between ancient granite boulders. It's a rare chance to see them up close in their natural habitat. Stroll the wooden boardwalks that wind through the dunes, letting you get close to the penguins without disturbing them. Remember, look, don't touch. Respect their space and enjoy the unique experience of sharing the beach with these adorable locals. Next up, the iconic Table Mountain National Park, a natural wonder that towers over the city and offers endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Take the famous rotating cable car for a smooth ride to the summit, or challenge yourself with a scenic hike up winding trails. Either way, you'll be rewarded with jaw-dropping, panoramic views of Cape Town, the sparkling coastline, and the vast Atlantic Ocean. Keep an eye out for the dassie. These cute, furry creatures look like oversized guinea pigs, but surprisingly, their closest relative is the mighty elephant. Spotting one sunbathing on the rocks is always a treat. For plant lovers and nature enthusiasts, Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens is an absolute must-visit. Wander through lush gardens filled with vibrant indigenous flowers, rare plants, and towering trees, all set against the dramatic backdrop of Table Mountain. Don't miss the Boomslang Canopy Walkway, a winding bridge that snakes above the treetops, offering epic mountain views and a fresh perspective on the gardens below. And if you're visiting between June and November, you're in for a treat. Whale season. Watch southern right whales breaching and playing just offshore, all while sipping your morning coffee from the comfort of the beach. In Cape Town, nature isn't just nearby, it's woven into the city's very fabric. Mountains, ocean, and wildlife are all part of daily life here. From penguins to whales, every day's an adventure in Cape Town. The city's wild side is always just a step away. Ready for more? Time to hit the city. Cape Town is a place where every day feels like an adventure, bursting with energy and colour at every turn. Start at the V&A Waterfront. Shops, restaurants, street performers, and seals lounging in the sun. It's the perfect spot to soak in the city's lively spirit, with Table Mountain always watching over you. Wander Bo-Kaap's rainbow streets, the heart of Cape Malay culture. The vibrant houses and friendly locals make every stroll unforgettable. Snap photos, try a cooking class, and soak up the history. Taste traditional spices and learn stories passed down through generations. For a powerful experience, visit the District 6 Museum. Hear stories of resilience from former residents. It's a moving reminder of Cape Town's complex past and hopeful future. When night falls, Long Street comes alive with quirky shops, buzzing bars, and vintage finds. Grab a craft beer and join the locals for a night to remember. Cape Town's urban side is as vibrant as its wild side, blending city lights with natural wonders and creative street art. Every corner tells a story. Let's keep exploring. There's always something new to discover in this incredible city. My wildest Cape Town encounter? Picture this. A cheeky baboon snatching my crisps right out of my hands. Cape Town's wildlife is bold and unforgettable. Lesson learned. Always keep your windows up and your snacks well hidden, especially when baboons are around. Cape Town can be surprisingly budget-friendly if you know how to get around. Grab a My City bus card for easy, affordable travel across the city. And don't miss out on feasting on a giant Gatsby sandwich, a local favourite that's big enough to share and packed with flavour. For adventure seekers, hike up Lion's Head for breathtaking, free sunset views over the city and ocean, an experience you'll never forget. Visit between March, May or September, November for perfect weather, fewer crowds and a more relaxed vibe, ideal for exploring at your own pace. Summer is buzzing with energy and festivals, but it's also the busiest time. Expect lively beaches and packed streets. In winter, you can spot whales along the coast and enjoy cosy wine nights in the city's intimate bars and restaurants. Don't miss First Thursdays. When art galleries open late, entry is free, and the city comes alive with creativity and excitement. Wander the vibrant streets filled with street art, live music, and local artists showcasing their talents everywhere you look. Cape Town's best moments are often spontaneous and free. Think impromptu street performance and laughter echoing through the alleys. Stay curious, and you'll find magic everywhere in this city. One more thing. That's Cape Town. Penguins in the morning mountains by noon, history in the afternoon, and dinner by the ocean. It's wild, vibrant, and unforgettable. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning. Share your Cape Town stories or questions in the comments. Let's build the ultimate unofficial guide together. If you love this, hit like, subscribe, and get ready for more adventures. Cheers!